Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we'll start a navigation bar and make it look modern and professional. Today, we're going to move on and start building the hero section of our portfolio website. This is one of the most important sections because it's the very first thing visitors will see when they arrive at your site. So, what exactly is a hero section? A hero section is the large prominent area at the top of a web page, usually right below the header. It often includes a big background image or color, a bold headline, and sometimes a short description or call to attention button. Its purpose is to immediately grab the visitor attention and clearly show what the website is about. And here we have some examples that you can appreciate. There is a hero section. This part is exactly the hero section. In our project, we'll create a simple but effective hero section that introduces us and sets the tone for the rest of the page. So that was the introduction. Let's start coding. HTML5 and right below the header, create a new section tag element. We'll give it the ID home. So that our navigation link for home works correctly. Inside this section, let's add a container for our text. We'll create a div with the class hero content. Inside this div, we'll place a main heading H1 and a short paragraph. The heading will display your name or a strong message like, "Hi, I'm Yodon," or "Welcome to my portfolio." The paragraph will include a short description, something like, "I am front-end developer passionate about creating beautiful and functional websites." Here's the HTML structure you should add. Section ID, home, the tag div class, hero content, the header 1 with the message, and the P with the description. And we close the div and the section. For now, we'll keep it simple with just text. Later, in the next video, we'll style this hero section with a background image, colors, and spacing to make it visually stunning. And I show you that they're only text, but we can style them. We can add a picture, a beautiful background, and it'll become our website in a beautiful and delightful place to watch. Before we move on, let's review some best practices. Always use semantic tags like section with meaningful ID. This helps both users and search engines understand the layout of your page. By giving the section the ID home, we make sure the home link in our navigation scroll directly here. Also, separated content to div with classes, like hero content. Allow us to style them easily with CSS. At this stage, if you save and refresh your page, you will see a new section appear with a heading and a paragraph. As we saw in few minutes, it won't look fancy yet, but that's fine. The important thing is that the structure is in place. In the next lesson, we'll add CSS to style this hero section, make it the text center, adding a background image and give it the visual impact that a hero section needs. Great job so far! We've now completed the HTML structure for the hero section. In the next video, we'll transform it to the centerpiece of our portfolio website with styling. Goodbye!